So I didn't think I was going to do this video, but I'm going to go ahead and do it because I'm kind of irritated. We left work an hour early and get out of the base, and I hit a speed bump and I lost all fuel pump. Fuel pump just died, and I was like, what the heck? So I had to push it. Luckily some coworkers came and helped me, others did not. But I got it hardwired right here. I drove it without the top on it home, just to get it home. And this little bad boy was the culprit. I can't pull it apart again. I pulled it apart once, and now I can't. I cracked it and everything, but the pins are all rusted in there. I don't know why I plugged it back in. But this little piece right here that I used to take the top off is my reasoning as to why I could not drive home. It's also dry rotted, so I could probably break it in half and show you. So yeah, this is a little thing. Bring spare parts. Luckily I had some wire crimpers and some crimps to get home. But I went ahead and went to AutoZone, got another set. Just a regular 2-pin plug kit and some dielectric grease. So I did have dielectric grease on it before, and I'm assuming that's what happened to this one. So this one is now junk. I will now dispose of it the proper way. And not what I wanted to do the day before Thanksgiving, but not a big deal. So let me get this crimped on real quick and then show y'all what I had to do, because it's just terrible, and just literally the worst possible outcome was blocking a traffic of a gate because my car broke down. So got it pushed out of the way and kind of crimped up for now. I'd like to run these wires in the future, probably somewhere else, and then just put a little plug in here. But for now, it's just gonna have to be this way until I figure out how I actually want to do the wiring in here. But let me plug it in, and then I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna try to pull apart that other piece without it. I just threw it away, so I'm not gonna show you guys that, but it's rusted. So I'm assuming when I hit that bump, it just did not connect or something, and the plug went away, because as soon as I hardwired it with these two right here, it worked perfectly. That's crazy though. I cannot believe that. And then now when I get where I can get the rest of the interior done and I buy a wire kit, of course we're going to get the proper solders and stuff, but I want to also be able to get it where I don't have to take a plug in and out for the fuel pump through this thing right here. But yeah, let's get this thing together real quick. Okay, so I tell you one thing, doing this in shorts and a short sleeve shirt when it's like 40 degrees and blowing wind like crazy will make you work faster. But we're at the dielectric grease time. I got it back in there and mounted back in. Put some electric tape on it. We're just gonna kinda put some around the plug right here and kind of push a little bit in here. Wouldn't say get too crazy with it, but you know, enough to keep it from rusting again, hopefully. We'll go and plug that sucker in. Nice and good. I don't have a rag to wipe the excess off, so I'm gonna keep it on there, because why not? All right. So I think we got it good. We dispose of this grease before it gets all over the place, and then I have to do more cleaning. But let's turn the key and see if I build fuel pressure, just to make sure I didn't ruin anything else. Excuse me. How's everyone else's holidays going? Leave a comment on what y'all are doing for this Thanksgiving. All right. I hear the fuel pump, so I think we're good. 46 PSI where it needs to be. Nice. 41. And that right there is a reason why you should go over what you did years ago. Preventative maintenance, as they would say. I don't know why my seat is so far forward, but it's extremely forward. I don't know, is this how it, no, this is not how it, there we go. But yeah, so kind of a headache. Probably got pneumonia now. But it's back in. Just shove it in there and be good. I could probably shove it all the way in, but I know I'm going to break that clip. So I'm not going to do that. But, so that's it on that one. When I come back from vacation, we are going to be working on the garage. I got some concrete primer. We'll get it going. And I also want to start finish the interior, at least the back half. Still got to weld some panels in here and stuff. I do have an outlet to put in there, so the welder can be plugged in and the air compressor can be put in. So that's great. But also, I was talking to the guys who do these Tinker Electronics, and these little shifter LEDs up here, it'll go green and then go to red when you want to shift. Well, he said with the pins he gave me, I have to buy the pin tool, but I can actually relay my blinker, my right blinker here and my left blinker here, and choose like a color like blue or whatever. And I might do like a probably do like an offset color, probably just blue. So I'll have blinker lights again, and I'll know when my blinkers are on, which is awesome. That's going to be something we do. Obviously, all this wiring is getting gutted out. Half this wire isn't even being used anymore besides the AC module, which I don't even need an on-off selector. I'm okay with just a flip switch for high. I don't use all this other stuff. It doesn't have AC in it, so there's no point in having these bad boys in here if I leave it on defrost anyways to heat the whole car up, because it literally heats the whole car up from that. So I think when I do the dash and stuff, it'll be a nice clean sheet, and I might just buy one of those like switch kits and probably dielectric grease those too while I'm at it, because I'm petty. But it'll be a whole clean panel, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I might wrap it like the carbon fiber wrap or something, instead of, it's because it's raw aluminum. My father-in-law is gonna help me with it. I don't really know yet what we're gonna do on that, but for now, you guys have a great Thanksgiving. If you have any kind of project car though, my advice to you this weekend is just go look over your car. You never know. You might get stranded in the middle of a gate leaving work, and 45-degree weather, it's not bad. It's really not that bad, but you never know, man. Check your wheel bearings, check your brake pads, check your U-joints. I've had so much crud on this car break. Drive shaft U-joints twice, slave cylinder, stuff like that. Just check it. This is my advice to you right now, because I just had to check mine. So you guys have a good one. I'm out. Leave a comment, a like, a share would be awesome. Tell me what you're doing this Thanksgiving. I'm probably going to play Call of Duty, hang out with the wife and kid and family, play some more Call of Duty, and then go on vacation. So I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good one.